Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to visualize parametric functions on line plot using Swiftui charts for iOS 18. So here you can see this is a sample output. I have drawn a heart. Now I am not really good with this parametric function. I think you need lot of mathematical knowledge or trigonometric knowledge which I don't have. So I've just copy pasted this code from the documentation and I'm showing it to you. But with the help of this you can draw any type of chart using Swiftui charts. That's what the main purpose is. So anyways, let's get started. So here you can see, again this is iOS 18 only. So you will have to update your Xcode. I think I'm using Xcode 16, I guess. Let's quickly, Xcode 16. So here I have created a Swiftui project. First I have imported Swiftui and charts, and then here inside our body I have created a chart. Here is our line plot, and here you can see I'm passing the X and Y axis, and here I don't know what this T stands for, but this is the domain. So go from 0 to pi into 2. I think that's 180 or 360. I'm not sure. But here we are doing some kind of a mathematical calculation, which again I'm not sure. Sorry about that, but this will help us to draw the heart on that Swiftui chart. So here is the line style. This is the chart X scale as well as Y scale. Change it to whatever you feel like. And here is the plot style as well. This is the foreground color. This is the aspect ratio. So this is simple. The only tricky part is this one, which I don't understand really. But I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.